Look what we have here. That's ours.
For real?
Yeah.
Welcome to Strickland Farms.
What's up there, YouTube? It's another day. Today is Wednesday, the day before Thanksgiving. Me and William came over here. We're gonna try to put some seed in the ground before it rains tomorrow night. So William's riding around looking at cows and playing. All the cows probably think we got something for them. So, but I got the tractor in the catch pen so don't tear up nothing. So we're gonna get the tractor out and get it planting. Stay tuned. All right, everybody, William's in the Mahindra over there riding around, Phil farting. He said he didn't want to ride the tractor. He wanted to play on the Mahindra. So I'm in the Massey Ferguson. Got the grain drill behind me. We're fitting to plant some ryegrass. My neighbor over there, I seen his tractor go by with a tow buggy. He's fertilizing his winter grazing. So his is already up and out of the ground. Mine ain't even planted yet. Hey, when you're busy, you're busy. You do what you can. So we're going to get a little planting done. Hopefully try to finish from the ditch to the fence, and then we can move over and start on the other side. So y'all stay tuned. I don't know how much filming I do. I may give the camera to William and let him film some. So stay tuned. All right, everybody, I hope you can just see if that makes it any better. All right, me and William are done for the day on planting in the pasture, and William was dragging tires, dragging poop, scattering it out. So we are headed to my buddy Sean's to pick up my coon rake, because I got a man coming tomorrow morning to look at it, wants to buy it. So we'll see. So y'all have a good night. We'll pick this up tomorrow probably. Thanks. Look what we have here. That's ours.
For real?
Yeah. I'll get some better video tomorrow, but this is a 2019 5075E with a cab and loader. And I was told from the salesman that it's just under 8 feet tall, which will fit in the chicken houses. So we'll be using a cab tractor to move hay in and out of the chicken houses. So it's 10:30 at night and we out here playing with a new tractor. So, but we kept it a secret from William until it showed up. I'll get some better video tomorrow in the daylight. Well, good morning, YouTube. It's Thanksgiving Day. Our new tractor, we took delivery of our new tractor last night, and so we just stuck it in the barn. It was 10 o'clock. So here's the maiden voyage of trying to put it in the chicken house, which is what we bought it for. Oh man, there's a foot. Works. The poor 5403 probably won't be getting much more work. Because it don't have a power reverser like that tractor does. And that one's got a buddy seat for William. Well, coon rake sold, headed to its new owner. Daddy and Williams, I don't know what they're doing. I think they're gonna put the hay spear on the new tractor. So, we're gonna video this, see how many tries it takes him to hook up. So those two tractors are the same horsepower, but there is 21 years difference in them. That's a 2008, that's a 2019. First try. Oh. Them two right there may be done for the winter now that we got this one. All right. So one of the main reasons for this purchase right here, I wanted a skid steer, but they're just way too high, out of my budget. But it gets so dusty in this chicken house and all these chicken houses, I wanted a cab, just to protect her, because the respirator just didn't work. I don't know why, but I wear a respirator and it wouldn't help. So that's what we got this one for. Proud it's here. Eating Thanksgiving at Nana's. William's sitting in the high chair.
Oh, Daniel probably didn't sleep the other night.